3 videos in one day. Yep, it's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands. This Splassive. Drip versus Splassive. So one's gonna give you, Drip's gonna give you 1% a day, and Splassive is gonna give you 2% a day. So I mean, looking at this right here, this thing was what, 9 USDT this morning, and now it's 11.9. Contract balance keeps going up. Splash balance keeps going up. Transactions keeps going up. Let's see if they have the users. They had the users on one screen. The number of people that was actually in the contract. I don't know what screen that was on. Oh, well, I'll find it later. But anyway, yeah, so that's how much it is for one splash. I got 21 of them, starting at about 256 USDT, and then my payout is going to be 77. So whatever that amount is, pull up my calculator. Come on, calculator, act right. So 77 times that 11.9, 913 USDT versus me putting in 200. That's a win-win. Win-win. So I'm gonna keep compounding this every day, 2% every day. I'm gonna keep hydrating. Again, it's on the Avax network. So if I go to this daily compound interest calculator, I put in my principal amount of 257 at a 2% rate per day for 12 months. Include weekends, yes, because crypto never sleeps. It doesn't stop. It's a machine. Daily reinvestment, yeah, 100% starting today. And I hit calculate. So, within a year's time, that balance will grow to be equivalent to 353 grand. And just looking at the daily, in 1 year, going all the way down to December, by the end of the year, I'm looking at a daily, by December 31st, I'm looking at a daily amount of 1701, and that's if it stays where it is right now. And December I'll be at 86 grand, and then when I finish my whole year out, I'll be at 353.9 grand, and a daily. Man, can you imagine getting that per day? I know some people might be out there, but I'm not. But that right there, that's good. I'm good. If I can just get that on this one platform, just on Splassive, just get that deposit, keep daily 2% a day, Then when you get it up, when you get it going good, you can compound 2 times a day, 3 times a day. Just keep it going. Keep it going. So drip versus Splassive. I think this thing is a beast with 2% daily. This is the first one I've seen like this. If you've seen some contracts out there, some new contracts out there like this that are pretty much a clone to drip, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Peace.